What if one of the most powerful cleaning tricks cost almost nothing and you've probably ignored it your whole life? It looks too simple to matter, but once you see what it actually does, you might never clean the same way again. Most people think better cleaning means buying stronger products, more bottles, more chemicals, more effort. But that's not always true. Sometimes the simplest tricks work the best, not because they're stronger, but because they solve the problem in a smarter way. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. In this video, you'll learn why this cheap cleaning trick works so well, how it actually cleans, and how you can start using it in your daily routine to save time and effort. Let's start with the trick itself. It's something you've probably seen before, using baking soda and vinegar together. On their own, they're already useful, but together they create a reaction that makes cleaning easier. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they start to fizz. That bubbling action helps lift dirt, grease, and buildup from surfaces. It gets into small spaces where scrubbing alone might miss. Think about a dirty sink or a clogged drain. Pour in baking soda, then add vinegar, and you'll see that fizzing reaction right away. It looks simple, but it's doing a lot of work under the surface. Now here's why it works so well. Baking soda is slightly rough, which helps scrub away grime. Vinegar is acidic, which helps break down grease and mineral buildup. When you combine them together, you get both effects at the same time. That means less scrubbing for you. The reaction helps loosen the dirt, so wiping it away becomes much easier. Another reason this trick works is because it's fast. You don't need to wait hours or follow complicated steps. In many cases, you just apply it, let it react for a minute or two, and wipe. That's why people love it. It saves time, especially for everyday cleaning tasks. Let's talk about where this works best. Sinks are a great example. Over time, they collect soap, grease, and food particles. This mixture helps break that down quickly. Drains are another common use. The fizzing action can help loosen buildup inside the pipe. It's not a full fix for serious clogs, but it works well for regular maintenance. You can also use this trick on stovetops. Grease and food stains can be tough to remove, but this combination helps soften them so they wipe away more easily. Here's something interesting. This trick isn't new at all. People have been using these ingredients for years. It just became popular again because videos made it easy to see the results instantly. That's part of why it went viral. It's simple, satisfying to watch, and actually works in real life. Another benefit is that it's affordable. You don't need to buy multiple products for different surfaces. A small amount of baking soda and vinegar can handle many everyday cleaning tasks around your home. This also makes your cleaning routine easier. Fewer products means fewer decisions. You know what to use and how to use it. Let's not forget about odors. This trick can help with that too. Baking soda absorbs smells, while vinegar helps break down the source of the odor. So instead of just covering up bad smells, you're actually dealing with them. That's why the results feel more complete. Now, one important tip is to let the reaction do the work. A lot of people rush and start scrubbing right away, but if you give it a little time, the bubbling action can loosen dirt for you. This makes the whole process easier and faster. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Another thing to remember is consistency. Using this trick regularly can prevent buildup from getting too hard to clean. That means less effort in the long run. Over time, these small habits add up. Your home stays cleaner and you spend less time dealing with tough messes. But here's the real reason this cheap trick works so well. It's not about strength, it's about how it works with the problem instead of against it. Instead of forcing dirt off a surface, it breaks it down and lifts it away. That's why it feels easier, faster, and more effective. Most people think cleaning is about using more power, but in reality, it's about using the right method. And this simple trick proves that better doesn't have to be more complicated. So here's what to remember. You don't need expensive products to get great results. Simple ingredients like baking soda and vinegar can handle many everyday cleaning tasks. They save time, reduce effort, and make cleaning feel less overwhelming. And once you start using them the right way, you'll see why this trick has stayed popular for so long. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and home tips that actually work. And here's a question for you. Have you ever tried this trick before and did it work for you? Let me know in the comments below.